In this video, I will show you how to send Google Calendar invite in email. So the first step is to simply create your event, or if you want, you can simply click on an existing event, but now I'm going to use a new one. And as you can see, when you create an event, you have this option to add guests. So simply click on that. Now, all we have to do is simply type in their email address and then simply select them. So basically, what we're going to have to do now is simply change the settings. So here we have guest permission, so we can click on that, and basically if you want them to modify the event, you can enable that. If you want them to invite others, you can enable that, and if you want them to see the guest list, you can also enable that. Now if you already have an existing event, you're gonna have to simply click on it and click on the pen icon, and here you have the guests option, so you can simply type in their email address, and basically that's it. Here now again you have the guest permissions that you can play around with, and then they should receive their email. So I have this one here, but overall that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.